Hi, my name is Nanda, and we have recently built a home in the Shopia locality of Delhi. We have been living in this new house for the almost like 3 months, and we have been in this locality for like 75 years. Our house was way too much old, it's been almost 75 years, so we wanted something like a new house to stay in. We were introduced to Eternia through Wiki Associates for the material of the new building, like for the gates and the windows. They have provided with the very great windows and the gates, so I'm very satisfied with the quality of the gates as well. It looks premium. My grandparents sit all the time in the balcony, so I can say they spend most of the time near the window. They are more convenient than the previous window, as in like they usually slide, right? The other one used to open it towards the balcony, like door used to open it towards the outside. So it used to take some space in the balcony, so it was more restrictive to move in the balcony. They are much better than in that perspective. I can say like we usually get more sunlight than the other windows. In the daytime, we never turn on the lights, like it's usually the sunlight that helps us. I'm very satisfied with the experience, as in whenever we had a problem, they used to connect with us, and they resolved our problem in not more than 2 to 3 days. So I'm very satisfied with the television.